Who don't like a soft and fluffy KHAMAN dhokla which we can easily prepare at home? It's an instant KHAMAN dhokla recipe with very few ingredients. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel with Eryca. Today I will be preparing instant KHAMAN dhokla, and for that we would be needing Bengal gram, which is also known as besan, sugar, slitted green chilies, chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, curry leaves, mustard seeds, ginger and chili paste, turmeric powder and fruit salt. So guys, let's get started with the recipe. So first, in a bowl we are going to take besan or Bengal gram powder. Into that we would be adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Along with that we are going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger and chili paste. Then we are going to mix all the ingredients together with water, and the water which I am using, that's a room temperature water. You don't want to add all the water at once, otherwise it would be a lumpy batter. So add water little by little and create a smooth lump free batter. Guys, if you are liking this recipe, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. It will notify you every time I upload any new video. So as you can see that our batter is ready, and you can see the consistency, it's neither too thin neither too thick. And after preparing the batter, we are going to immediately add the fruit salt. I am using the plain Eno fruit salt. You can also use the lime flavored Eno fruit salt. Right after mixing it, we can't wait too long. We have to immediately put it into the mold, because if we wait too long after adding fruit salt, then our dhokla won't be coming out the soft and fluffy texture. So we need to immediately put it into the steamer right after mixing the fruit salt. As you can see that I have taken a mold and I'm going to put the oil into it and grease it well. After that I'm going to put the dhokla batter, and with the help of spatula I'm going to spread out the mixture evenly. Then I'm going to dab it so that if any air traps inside, it comes out and there is even spread of the batter into the mold. Now it is ready to put it into the steamer. As you can see that I have already put water for boiling, and then I am going to add the mold on the upper half of the steamer, and then I am going to cover it and leave it for cooking for at least 20 minutes. So after this I will be preparing the sugar syrup mixture into which the dhokla will be soaked. So for that I have taken oil, and into that I have put mustard seeds for splattering. After it splatters, I will start adding curry leaves and slitted green chili. Into that I am going to add water and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I will let it boil till the sugar completely melts. So after 20 minutes, as you can see, our dhokla is completely cooked and our knife came out absolutely clean. So now we can unmold it. After cooling, now I am going to unmold the dhokla. So now I am loosening the sides by using a knife, and then I am going to flip it and unmold it from the mold. So now I am going to cut the dhokla in the usual shapes of squares. And after this I am going to put the sugar syrup mixture which we just prepared, to let it sit over there and soak all the sugar syrup mixture, and after that it will be ready to be served. So now I am going to cut the dhokla. As you can see, the inside it's really soft and fluffy. It turned out really well. So guys, if you like this recipe, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming out with new videos every week, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. It will notify you every time I will upload any new video. Thank you guys for watching.